Hello, welcome to the first instalment of Project Susie the Sierra. Um, Look, handful of rust already, not the best start, but yeah, I've been after one of these for a couple of years. The last one I had been welded all the way along the chassis, all the way underneath the floor. So yeah, I've been looking for ages for a decent one, and this one come up locally. An old boy sadly passed away. Had like a purpose-built garage for it with a workshop. So yeah, I think he'd had it 20 plus years, and it was sensible money. But the only thing it looked like it needed rust-wise structurally is the rear end of the sills. Now it's been done once already, and all the stone guard or bitumen, whatever they've used, is just flaking off. This is what the poor MOT repairs look like. And it's rusted next to that repair. Well, all of the repair is rusting out again. It's been done really badly. How not to do it, basically. But what I'd hoped was just to be able to put a repair section in for now, and then put it for an MOT. There's a slight knock on the front spring, but yeah, put it for an MOT and see how it got on. But yeah, me and my missus were just chatting. We think we're just going to go for it and just cut it all out and just do it once only, once properly. So we like do things, because if it would have been good enough to put a little patch in, that would have been fine. But yeah, we just want to cut all that rust off. We've removed the mud flaps because they were well, not very nice to look at, really. So we had snap bolts and spinning bolts to deal with. So yeah, this looks like the worst side. And then, oh, the trim fell off as well. So if anyone's got one of them. Same thing going on this side. It's been repaired and it's just rusting all around it. So yeah, I'm going to cut this off now and you can see what it's like inside. Alright, it's the first cut of that horrible, oh dear. So look, that repair panel, look how badly that's actually rusted. So that's where people don't paint the insides of repair panels, they don't use wax oil. Just cut through that little bit. If you see there, look, that's where they've overlapped. That's the old bit of seal. That's the new bit of seal over the top. There you go, look, there's the original seal again. They've welded over the top. So you see where they've cut the inner strength from, where they've put an inner piece in. It's just tacked in there. You see that? Just a bit tacked in. all the inner strength has been cut out and is just non-existent. And then yeah, that's that inner piece is given away now, look. So yeah, that's gonna give us plenty to do. Just remove that bit for now. Yeah, all of the inner sill needs repairing as well. It's going to keep us busy. See how little was keeping that piece on. Looks like they've wedged it in there, just welded it in a couple of places, and filled the rest up with seamless. So there's the original inner seal, and there was the patch sort of laid over the top. Yeah, I think we need a cup of tea and a bit of a rethink.